is a used 2012 Ford Explorer, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, premium rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, power seats, roof rails. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, traction control, parking sensors. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Red River Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 402 West Side Drive, Durant, Oklahoma 74701.